Sika guarantee of 3 million Ghana dollars no year no. Started no contract. He started from the onset. 2012 na contract any one. Even according to Canada, Japan, NDC grow found more contract than NPP has done. He's a businessman. He's credible. He pays his taxes. He pays everything that he has to pay when he gets a contract. You know how Kumasi your contract be acquire your 90%. When was what about NPP? And NPP government had the contract the man. So that is a non-starter. The man has done so well. Pacho, Amna, for Mina,
yeah.
Na Parliament split here near majority no. Nana na Danko Akufo no president of this country.
No a president.
No the president saying. Na Baumia on your vice president. Na ye pe ekwan abde obi aba abeka MP so nya majority no. When they in government, who has benefited in this party than Nanado and Baumia?
87.9.
1 billion the man.
Yes. Baumia na contest. Let me put Nanado aside. Why not benefit of party missing Baumia? You might not see contract signed, but he has benefited than any other person in the party. In fact, he has been in charge.
Just because vice president.
Just because. Now they wouldn't he tells you that he's the most effective vice president because the president has ceded virtually everything. Oba bra want it. Digitization am the buy, free exchange, me am the buy. I want to know. Want to know. God in front of everything that the government has done successfully, Baumia, and it is a mechanic say he has benefited that every contract assigned on a.
Oh, really?
As a man, the last appointment here, he did it.
You don't mean it. The last appointment in
that
government.
Is why you see all appointed officials following him. They are boss. And please. Mom Obi for the 6 million. If you see a woman patrol, what is Obi in the 500 million? Kura aye bibi ache Ghana. Ghana. You see politics. You need a contract from 92. What is Obi the $500,000? Kura aye bibi se Ghana mumfa. $6 million cardio center. Out of nothing, just an MP and a businessman who believes that he has served Ghana. Ghana has also served him. Ghana. Is it not the quality of a leader that we need? One more mobile president, only attitude, no ebi. Go to parliament. Nipa wa bo mama team of parliament, both opposition and majority. You don't tell the story. Who buy or show wa bra na say we ni bia no afro no show nkran o se dia na mama me hide am on them. Mama pick be ma. This is Kennedy Japan. He has bought so far 700 pickups for the party. Now, no matter will be the 1,000 pickups about Kuruma. Yako Kuma will not party need pickup. Kennedy donate 1 pickup. Or no, your donative.
Ashanti region.
Yako Kuma will election. That time national office. Any pickup.
Only Kokuma.
We have a party.
Lawyer Williams.
I'm telling you. Unim.
And Rechi
Yako Kuma will.
Nasa Land Cruisers and the DH in Munamuni.
Yaka party pickup.
For regional and national. I don't get it.
National. Omonika.
NPP national party. Na cast na modi campaign. I'm just surprised.
Yes. And so that is the nature. So he had to donate a brand new pickup.
I'm interested.
Yeah.
Are you saying from where you said as a lawyer and a member of Canada Japan, a leader, not just a lawyer, Canada Japan means the NPP as a party at the national level, the omni pickup. As of today, Bako Krenio.
Canada Bako.
Until Canada did their call,
they called
2020.
They mentioned that they needed something like a pickup to travel to Kumawu. What you know, Dimika?
No, we here be an answer. No,
no, here. See a rubber.
No, here. Baby, no more been tell. Already can't Akoma.
No, but so the question that I'm asking is that just a week or two before that somebody brought 1,000 pickups to this country for his campaign, and we are talking about a love for a party, and it's that time want it, and want Chabakura, because when it comes to him seeking leadership, he's ready to spend money. But when it's about the party, it is not his business. Can we have a party with leaders? Not party needs to carry the Congress. You can be a say, Mummy, a late Congress, then a mom go music Congress.
When is come with the Congress?
That only my
Akoma FM.
the party
87.9
was not resourced enough to go for an early Congress. When I'm called because besides, since a mom pay late Congress there and your mom copy musika. That is how we can choose people to lead the party and ignore the party. Kennedy says that give the leadership to me. It's not just the party, but full soldiers. Any party people there will make sure that their lives will change.
Now, Yamra more fierce, mu ali on